Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create a virtual data rooms. In today's data-driven world, businesses often find themselves needing secure and efficient ways to manage and share sensitive information. Virtual data rooms have become invaluable tools in various industries, providing a secure and organized environment for sharing confidential documents and collaborating with stakeholders. Step 1. Define your objectives before you embark on creating a virtual data room. It is crucial to define your objectives clearly. Understand the specific use cases scenario for which you intend to use the video. Common use cases including merger and acquisition, financial transaction, and legal proceedings, compliance-related activities, and secure document sharing for sensitive projects. Defining your objectives will help you to tailor the video setup to meet your organization's specific needs and requirements. Step 2. Choose the right video provider. Selecting the right video provider is a pivotal decision in the creation process. Consider the following factors when choosing a video provider. Security. Ensure that the provider offers robust security features including encryption, access control, and audit trails. As you have used, evaluate the user-friendliness of the video platform, as an intuitive interface can improve user adoption and efficiency. Compliance. If your organization is subject to industry-specific regulation, verify that the provider can support compliance requirements. Step 3. Prepare your documents. Gather and organize documents you intend to store and share within the virtual data rooms. Depending on your objectives, these documents may include financial records, legal contracts and due diligence materials, regulatory documents, and intellectual property or any other sensitive information relevant to your use case. Ensure that your documents are well organized and properly labeled in the desired of digital formats. If you have any physical documents that need to be digitized, consider using document scanning service to convert them into its electronic format. Set up user permission. One of the key benefits of virtual data room is the ability to control who can access specific documents and folders. Establish a system for setting up user permission to ensure that only authorized individuals can view or edit certain files. Typically, video allow administrators to assign different levels of access, such as read-only, edit, or full access to user or user groups. Define your access control policies carefully, taking into account the roles and responsibility of the individuals and team using the video. Step 5. Uploading and organizing documents. Upload your documents. Prepare documents into the virtual data room. Most video offer user-friendly interface for bulk uploading and file folders. As you upload documents, organize them into folders. This makes it easy for users to navigate and find the information they need. Consider using logical naming convention for files and folders to enhance searchability and organization. Additionally, take advantage for tagging or labeling features offered by the video to further categorize and classify documents. That's all, everyone. In step 6, implement security measures. Security is a critical aspect of virtual data room. Take the following security measures to safeguard your data. Encryption. Ensure that data is encrypted both in transit at rest. Strong encryption protected documents from unauthorized access. And two-factor authentication. Runnable 2FA for added security. This requires user to provide two-factor authentication before gaining access to the video. In conclusion, creating a virtual data room is a strategic decision that can enhance your organization data security, streamline document management, and improve collaboration and stakeholders. By following these steps carefully, considering your objectives, security requirements, and user needs, you can establish a virtual data room that serves as a secure and efficient hub of your most sensitive document and transactions. That's all, everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching this video.